not dressed appropriately for this weather. Right now we are off to Yorkville. Every time I vlog, I'm going to Yorkville. Every single time.
We don't go very often.
I know we don't go very often, but every time I vlog. We are going on a little shopping spree with Holt Renfrew. They invited me to see their new women's, what is it? Women's like concept store kind of thing. And then we're going to drop off Nespresso Capsules.
You don't have to use it now.
It's so little. I know, but it's so cute that you guys make bags that size. Not on the camera side.
Or the upstairs. Okay.
It's the contemporary space.
Smile. Damn, this new acne stuff's sick. Are these the scarves they had in New York?
Yeah. Oh my god, you need it. It's your initial.
I know. I actually have one, but I like it. I'm just not gonna wear scarves, so I'm like, okay, this first outfit is from Redone. I also just realized that I put this new highlight on and it like really doesn't look good. Okay, I have a pair of these jeans similar, but they don't feel like this. These are Redone. These have like nice stretch in them. Oh, I really like them. Make your butt look really nice. These are 24. But how many pairs of light wash jeans do I need? Probably not another pair. Then this top is by them too. This is an Acne Studios hoodie. And it says Acne right here. But I really like the fit of this. See how at the back it like goes out? I feel like it's really different, and then I could also tuck it into jeans. You know what I mean? See if I can get you a little bit brighter here. I think this is really, really nice. This is a Zimmermann dress. I'm wearing black underwear, so don't mind, but I love the shape of this dress. I actually really want to make an uncle dress in this shape. I think it's so pretty. I feel like this is the perfect length where it goes down in the back. It goes down in the back and then up in the front. What do you guys think of this dress? I love it. I love it. I don't really like the shoulder frills though. Wow. This is crazy. I would need this.
I used to do
This is so cool.
like unexpected, but it's a ton of work.
It's just like $465, and how often am I gonna wear this? But damn. Also, this is my outfit today. Just button down leather jacket. These are Club Monaco, pretty old, and then my Reebok Classics.
Say thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, honey, see you later, guys.
Okay, so we're at the Nespresso store. It's right there. And we are recycled capsules. That's how much coffee we drink. So I just got back from the Nespresso store and I want to have a little chat. I just made a coffee. I am partnering with Nespresso on this video and on a few other videos throughout the year. So I'm very excited about this, and I hope you are too, because I think it's just such an organic and natural fit. This is my job, and I want to partner with brands who I love and care about, and who love me and care about me, and kind of our values are just super aligned. My content doesn't have to like stray away from what it normally is to partner with the brands that I partner with. I think A lot of the misconceptions when it comes to single-use coffee is that it's bad for the environment, and this is not bad for the environment. So this is a Virtuo Nespresso capsule. These are the bigger ones, and these are made out of aluminum. And aluminum has a lot of benefits. Well, number one, it's fully recyclable. It also really protects the quality and the freshness of coffee. They're fully sealed, so all they have to do really is they just have the capsule and in this little thing, and then it goes into this cardboard box, and that's it. There's no extra packaging. I think a lot of the times when companies, coffee companies especially, say that, you know, they're environmentally friendly, but to keep their coffee really secured and fresh, they need to have like a ton of plastic and everything really like sealing up the coffee. This is, you know, that cardboard box is fully recyclable, and then the aluminum is recyclable as well. I am a single person living alone, so it's a huge waste of literally everything for me to make a full pot of coffee. This makes a single coffee for me and I'm good to go. As you saw, I went to the Nespresso store and I recycled my capsules. I keep a basket like this underneath my little Nespresso machine, and then I collect all the capsules whenever that's full. I go to the Nespresso store and then I recycle my capsules. Nespresso has recycling partners that are environmentally friendly recycling partners, and those recycling partners actually help Nespresso give second life to the aluminum and as well as the leftover coffee. There you go. Everything's being used again. Sustainable. That was one of the reasons I actually did partner with Nespresso, is their commitment to the environment. I found it really cool and really inspiring. What a day it has been, let me tell you. We just got, I had to go to the manufacturers. The manufacturer couldn't make half the stuff because his machines weren't fitted for the type of fabric we wanted to use, but we got one sample back and I'm wearing it right now. I've been wearing it for a while to see how it fits and how it, if it stretches out, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. We wanted to make a basic sort of summer dress, don't mind the mess. So we came up with this. It is just a spaghetti strap, or like tank top strap, ribbed dress. It's form-fitting, but has a lot of give. It's super comfy, not see-through because I'm wearing black full butt underwear right now. It's pretty long. It's like mid, I'm 5'6", just below the knee on me, and I'm really loving it. So far so good. We might end up making this. This is in white, make it in a few different colors. I hope you guys are excited about our new sort of like silhouettes. Still basics, still easy to wear, but just something a little bit different. Oh my god, this is so cool. People are gonna hate us for this.
The exhibit itself is really, really cool.
It's just hard to like appreciate something when you have 20 seconds. In and out. Was it like this in LA? That was a really sexual thing to say. Okay, so we just left the room. I'm standing near this. We just left like the first half of the exhibit. It's good, but I feel like it's really hard to appreciate. I mean, I really like art. I feel like it's hard to appreciate art when you have a 20-second time limit. Was there a 20-second time limit wherever else this exhibit was? I'd love to know, because it's just like hard to be there, be in the moment, you know what I'm saying? And it's like you're being kind of herded like cattle, like through the exhibit, where I like to like really take my time. We're in the sticker room, so you place the stickers. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's a few days later from when I last vlogged, but I wanted to end off this vlog. Okay, so this is my hair. It's kind of dry, not fully dry, but it's getting there. This is just my natural hair with some product in it. I have curly, wavy-ish hair. Okay, so my bangs are pretty long, but they kind of are annoying. Like, I mean, right now they look pretty good, but it's St. Patrick's Day and I don't want my hair out of my face. So, but the hairspray I'll be doing a lot is I just take my front bangs and I pull them back like that. And then I take a bobby pin, open it up, put the bobby pin around like this, and then I stick it through frontwards. The opening of the bobby pin is like facing this way. And then it kind of creates this like messy back do. So I take the bobby pin again, clamp it around the whole section of hair, and then push it through to the front. So I take my finger and put it on the back and then push it through like that. And then I leave my hair like this. That's like the hairstyle I've been doing every day to get my bangs out of my face so they're not annoying. And then tomorrow I will show you how I do my low bun. If I'm not super hungover, I will do it. But that will be the end of this vlog.